We got the trail boss back in to put a starter on and chain back on the SSR. That chain keeps slipping, so it's probably done for, stretched out. He got some arcade gold though, so. And a few other things like the clutch, that clutch rod we never really fixed. It keeps kind of popping out. And then the dirt bike might be sold. We got the gas tank off the Polaris. The Polaris 700 Sportsman. Let's put these paper towels up here. Don't want to see the axles, man. Grease, I hate it. Hate all that grease off of them. It's a lot of grease. Alright. This was just together. We just stripped it back down. Because tomorrow we got the bushing coming in. This is what's wrong with the steering. All these bushings always go out on these bad boys. But it was fine in the beginning, so apparently his was crushing when he started driving it. The pieces fall out, that's what happens. We got the new dash in. I still have to move a couple wires around, but till then we got tachometer and a few other things. Don't want to start it, took gas tank off, we'll leave the gas that's in the lines. We did the front bushings and brass. We did, I don't know if you guys can see good. Let me get the light here. We did new sway bar rubbers. So we got new rubbers in the sway bar, upper, lower. We put new CV boots on. I used the old clamps because the new clamps are always crappy. They're not as good, so I used the new clamps and we replaced the boots. We did the bushings and the brass on the upper on each side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We did the lower, which have these are longer, way longer bushings. Those are in there. And we did the boot on the inside. Plus we did the bushings on this upper part. These were completely shot. I do have a video somewhere of it. But as you can see, we got this bushing here is shot. It was real bad. It went back and forth like a ½ inch or more. We replaced the tires. Oh, like I said, this was just together a little while ago. We put a whole new gasket kit on, and the springs. There was a donut gasket here. There was a gasket up here. You can see right here, a new one on. 2 donut gaskets, 5 springs. This spring goes to here, but the rubber's actually been scrunched, so I hooked it down here. Now it's tight. We put the other donut goes back here into the muffler. And then the same thing on this side, except this side's a little rougher because you got the brake caliper over here and the exhaust. But we got the boots replaced. The boot was busted. These boots don't last long on these Sportsmen. They go quick. So I always buy the cow trick and really grease them up. But also, that's not what was really wrong with the exhaust. It was the gasket, but also, as you'll see here, it was busted bad. The weld looks like crap because I had to pile it on. The first set of bead was good, but I gapped and filled it up widely because the metal was fatigued pretty good ways in. I have some pictures of it. Bottom and top is welded, and now it sounds real good. Like I said, it doesn't look the best, but it is the best. And what got this thing started was the carb job, so that's what led to all this work. And the bushings were replaced on this side, but then last night when I was running it, you gotta be shitting me, somebody spray painted this and did part of the engine. Last night when I was running it, I noticed it wouldn't turn real good to the right, and it was the axle was binding up, and as you can see, it was stuck in like the other back ones. But I got it out before dinner, and sure enough, the splines are chewed up real good, and the I can't even get this back on it. It's got the N8 up so much here. We're just gonna order a new one. They're 55 bucks, and plus I don't have the snap ring. I do have a snap ring kit over here, but it's not, you know, those are so specific. That's not gonna be Harbor Freight snap ring kit. Ain't gonna work. So anyways, I can't get this. The main reason is this axle's chewed up, and this was pulled completely out. Also, we put on a new intake boot. As you can see, that new rubber there. This one had electrical tape, and then as I looked in it, it was busted all around. Oh, and today we put on the new Bendix. We got the new Bendix in. This is the old one. All the old parts are in there. But yeah, we got a lot done on this. Like a lot. But the rubber goes on there. This all throws back together fairly quick. It only takes about a half hour to take this apart. So tomorrow we're going to do an oil change. Put those bushings in. Throw some new spark plugs in it. We could do that right now while we're in here. We do got new spark plugs there. They're BKR7E. That's what they are. But yeah, this thing's had a complete makeover. And then we're going to start in on that. Like I said, that Polaris gets a starter. A starter right here, and then the 4RK Gold Premium Stretch racing chain goes on the little bike, so he won't have no more problems with that. And then also his truck, when his truck comes, these are for his tailgate. Need to bolt these on, and then weld one of these. And the whole metal is missing where it goes, so we've got a little bit of truck work to do too. But yeah, we got all this going on right now, and then we need to take the Suzuki actually back apart and clean the intake manifold. Mud dauber or something built something in the actual little air hole. And the guy that owns the dirt bike in the Polaris Trail Boss, I think, is going to purchase the dirt bike for undisclosed amount. But it's up for $13. People that know me get it a little cheaper. But yeah, I'm going to paint the exhaust for him. We're going to get that seat changed over. It's solid, that bike is. I ride that around everywhere. I just had it stuck in there today, so I didn't ride it today. Yeah, but we got this back end all tightened up. Those bushings are amazing. You won't believe how much it really made this four-wheeler 100%. And this was the cheaper $50 plastic bushing kit. It's not the OEM rubber bushings. So I'm a little, I'm a little worried on how long the plastic ones will last. We'll see. Because when you take impact, you know, that might crack it, may not. I don't know. But I did go through and wire brushed every grease fitting, and every fitting did take grease. Every point has been greased. There's even one up under here for this part. But yeah. Oh, and not to mention, when I said I'd replace the bushings, this on each side, these got replaced too. There's 4 bushings down here on these big ones, and those all come in that kit. There was a kit for just the back bushings, and then you got the sway bar rubbers in the front bushing. I got them all for 45 bucks off of Amazon. They're plastic, but they're on there, and it's all tight. But yeah, this axle was unexpected. And as you can see, they're very dirty. That's why we got rolls of paper towels. But that's it. I just thought I'd put a little update video on. Here soon I'll be getting to my stuff, like this Rhino we picked up. It's already got all the parts. But that's it.